Hello traders. Today we are discussing the differences between dealing decks and non-dealing decks forex brokers. Understanding how your broker handles your orders is fundamental to your trading experience. Now let's get right into how each model works. Dealing desk brokers, also called market makers, take the other side of your trade internally. They provide fixed spreads and create their own liquidity pool. Non-dealing desk brokers, which include STP and ECN models, route your orders directly to external liquidity providers in the interbank markets. They typically offer variable spreads and charge commissions. What are the key differences? With dealing desk brokers, there's a potential conflict of interest since the broker profits when you lose. Spreads tend to be wider but fixed. The quotes and slippage can be more common. Non-dealing desk brokers act as neutral intermediaries with no conflict of interest. Spreads are usually tighter but variable, and they offer greater market depth and better compatibility with automated trading systems and scalping strategies. Now, who's this for and what are its limitations? This information is relevant for all forex traders, especially those choosing or evaluating their broker. Neither model is universally superior. Dealing desk brokers may offer more personalized support and simpler pricing, while non-dealing desk brokers generally provide faster execution and tighter spreads. The right choice depends on your trading style, strategy, and priorities. For the full comparison, the link is in the description below on the Forex Geek. Subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.